Hey guys, running Kimono here. So even before we dive into today's video, we're going to talk really quickly about the video I posted yesterday. I know a lot of you went out to the store and you had the Ibotta rebate in your gallery, and then once you went to upload the receipt, it vanished. I heard probably maybe just under 100 complaints. So what I'm going to recommend, guys, is for you to put in a ticket with Ibotta. How you're going to do that is you go to the main page of your Ibotta account and you see where it says help, it's circled there. You will tap on that with your finger and then it'll lead you to a website, and where that other circle in blue, submit a request, that's where you will photograph your receipt, provide some information and say, hey, my rebate vanished and I had purchased it in that window, because it said up to 4 days and then it just disappeared. So probably what happened is the manufacturer had a cap of maybe 10,000, 20,000 rebates. And once it was hit, that's it. They take it off. And in the video, I said, hey, check your rebate app before you buy the product. And I think it's going to go really quickly. I just knew. So those two avenues. And if you don't want to mess around with that, go back to Walgreens and return it. You can also do that. So, um, one thing I will suggest is when you are with customer support with Ibotta, be diabetically sweet, be really nice. Say, I love the app. This happened. It's never happened before. Could you please, 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 please help me? Be super, 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 super nice. And typically, whenever you're writing to a customer service rep, and if you are super sweet, they'll try and work with you. If you're going to go in there and start calling them names and being rough and tough, it's probably not going to go your way. And that's been my experience with this app. The nicer and more positive you are, the more they'll be like, oh, well, this is a good person. But if you're going to just all in caps write a really nasty note saying, you idiots, da da da, it's probably not going to go your way. So just keep that in mind too. All the apps, anything to do with customer service, if you are really, really nice, it probably goes your way. And if you don't have time for this, just bring it back to the store and give it a return. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is for a pickup only, so a curbside pickup at your local Walgreens. You were to load this last week or earlier in the week. You either have a 5 off of 25 or a 10 off of 30. This is of a one-time use per store card, and this one is a 10 off of 30. It's valid today from the 10th right till the 13th. So we have right up until Sunday. Now, did a bit of investigation, a little bit of detective work, and this is an ironclad coupon you can't use any clearance or sales items with. However, you can use coupons, and you can use that Christmas booster that we can load digitally with it. This is a very strict coupon. So it's your choice if you want to do these deals or not. Here it is. It works with this, which is, $5 back when you spend 25, 10 back when you spend 40. The operative word with this is spend. So you have to spend cash for the balance to earn this cash. So yeah, it's just it's one of those things. So follow along if you want to do some of these deals, or if it's just way too much, maybe take a pass on it because it's a lot. So what I discovered is that on sales or clearance merch, it's a no-go. That 10 off of 30 curbside coupon, it's not going to work. You have to get to $30 after coupons. But the $30 will stack with that Christmas booster I just showed you. So if you're spending $30 on the nose, you're going to get back 5. Take it up to 40, you'll get back $10 of Walgreens cash. To earn that with the Christmas booster, you have to pay cash for the balance, just to note that. So items such as these ones, like the $14.99 for the Yankee, the Soap and Glory, the beautiful Cottonelle this week, it's not going to qualify for it. So whomever designed the new boosters, they are onto us, and they're just these are some massive roadblocks. There are some still deals to be had and found, but they will be very slim and harder to find. You'll have to put your glasses on for that. I truly believe that this booster was designed for shoppers, not extreme couponers, just shoppers, people that want to grab $30 of stuff and pay that to get the $10 off. It's not for us extreme couponers. However, I do have a deal for you. So if you go into the search bar, this is the keyword that you're going to have to type in for this little dealio, which is holiday gift sets. Because if you type in the product, it may or may not pop for you. And if you look at the bottom of this chic gift set at the very bottom, see where it says pick up? That's what you're going to have to press. At the checkout page, it'll have your store location and all the information. If you're deciding to have this shipped to your house or another avenue of it, no, you have to do a curbside pickup at your physical store. So you drive up, there's going to be a place for you to park, you call a phone number or text something, an employee will come out with your bag of stuff. That's it. You don't even have to walk into the store, and they're really pushing this service. I'm guessing with the pandemic, this is a service they want a lot of people to use. So with deal number one, we're just going to jog through this. So you're going to need this guy loaded, and this was a your mileage may vary. Not every store card got this one. And then we're also going to need this Christmas booster. So obviously you'll have to load it digitally because you're going to be doing this one on your cell phone or desktop computer, that sort of good stuff. And you can use this more than once, this booster. It's written in the fine print that you can do it up to $90 of rewards cash. Second line. So the first item that we're going to grab is one of these Gillette travel kits. You can also get the men's one too, but it's a holiday Gillette gift set, and where it says pick up, that's what we're going to be doing, is picking it up in the store. And then we have this wonderful $5 off coupon. So even if you're not going to do these deals today, load this guy, because one of these weeks that's going to be a Christmas special. This one, maybe it'll be 50% off at $7.50 with this, $2.50 for that kit. Hi, that's called a deal. So load this coupon either way. It's fantastic. And then we're going to grab one of these Olay night creams for $6.49. I know a lot of you love this night cream. It's really nice. It's really like a thick type of cream that you put on your face and you look like Jennifer Aniston in the morning. So add one of those to your basket. And then we have a very generous $4 coupon that's attaching to it. So there it is. And then we're also going to grab this Christmas kit, which is some Maybelline mini mascaras for $14.99. Really cute little stocking stuffer, or a little Merry Christmas to you. Nothing terrible about Maybelline. And then we have this $2 digital coupon that's attaching. Load it. It's a great coupon. And then the final item that we're going to grab is this $10 Chic Intuition Variety gift set. If you want to grab another item for $10, it can't be on clearance or on a sale price, but this, like, they have a whole bunch of different types of like men's and women's kits for $10. Just add an extra one. I'm just going with this ladies chic set. Okay, so our basket is $46.48. All the items I just showed you in those previous slides. Now that 10 off of 30, see promotion and coupons, boom, there it is. Curbside pickup, free. Tax $2.19, and then I have $11 of manufacturer coupons. We'll show you those in a quick second that I had loaded. So $27.67. If I'm going to use that Christmas booster, I have to pay this because I'm going to get back $10 as I'm spending $40 on my basket. So I'm going to get back 10. So it'd make it like $17 and some change for all this stuff. Here are the coupons that we have. So we have the $5 for the ladies Gillette, that kit. We have the $2 for the Maybelline mascara, and then $4 for that Olay face night cream. The only item that doesn't have a coupon is the Chic Ladies kit for $10. And then the pickup, which is a 10 off of 30, as you can see, it's attaching. So all of this is working. These are all items that are not on sale and not on clearance. So thus that 10 off of 30 is working, because I tried another basket with Cottonelle, because I can't help myself, and not working. So guys, I'm really sorry, but if this is something you want, 3 gift kits, it's not the worst thing. And as you could see, the $10.46 in Walgreens cash. So when I check out, I will have to pay cash for the balance for this. If I'm going to use points, I will not earn that $10.46. So that is really your choice here. So you're in the driver's seat. You can choose either or. And just to look at the mathematics one more time of this. So $27.67 after the coupons and the 10 off of 30. I would pay cash for that and get back $10.46 in Walgreens cash, because I'm going to get back $10 as I spent 40. So that would be $17.67 for the 4 items. So that's really your choice. Do you think that's a good deal or not? If I was going to do this deal, you know what I'd do at checkout? I would throw in $20 of Walgreens cash. I'm going to forego my $10 of magic because I'm using my Walgreens cash to pay for that, and you can't earn it with this booster. I would pay $7.67 for the 4 items, which include the 3 Christmas kits and the 1 lotion. It is a loss of $20 of Walgreens cash, but I have 3 really cute stocking stuffers or a whole bunch of Merry Christmas to me. Either way you slice it or dice it, you make the executive choice. I'm passing on this. You know why? Here's a dirty little secret in how these sales cycles work with these Christmas kits. Starting on the 26th, all of them will hit 50%. So maybe if we have register rewards or cash at that point, that might be a better deal than this 10 off of 30. But hey, it's a little something for you guys if you wanted to try one of these curbside pickups. If I get any more information on subsequent deals, I'll present it to you. But right now, I think this 10 off of 30 or these curbside coupons, they're basically doing it for average shoppers. Extreme couponers, we like to get it a lot cheaper than this. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.